same old place that you laughed about. Well, the names have all changed since you hung around, but those dreams have remained and they've turned around. Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Back here where we need ya. Back here where we need ya. Yeah, the tease him a lot, 'cause we got him on the spot. Welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back. All right, give it a stretch. Oh, just had so many random things just happen just now. So I have another laptop. You probably can't see it, like right here, and that's what I was working on during the break session, which is I thought that the thing I was working on, where I was getting the random image from a directory, I thought that would, for whatever reason, I thought it would only happen since I was in the build section. So I thought it would only randomly select the image and then build that into the process. And I was like, you know what, let me try and deploy it. And so I deployed it and it works. So that's cool. So I don't have to go back and try and refactor it. So that was cool. So I got that working on some styling stuff. Going to add a couple more things and it should be good at some point. So we'll see. All right. For this break session, I wanted to take a look at this thing that I came across. I was like, oh, it's pretty cool. Wait, no, that's not what I'm looking for. What is all this? Let me open this. All right, so I'm going to add some links to some things. Add a link to this website here. Save that. I'm going to also do this video. I'm just trying to do all this stuff ahead of time. And this one, where to go? Oh, I went somewhere. Okay, great. I have all these pop-ups on my phone. Weird. All right, cool. And then this one also. We'll do that as well. All right, so I came across this video on YouTube. I've been looking a lot into different machine learning, LLMs, and all this other stuff, and these agents and things. And it's funny enough, I went to a meetup this past week, Orlando JS. Shouts to folks at Orlando JS. And they were talking about agents, like AI agents, and went through some examples and stuff. Really great time. So Orlando JS, always a good time. So I saw this video. I haven't watched it. It just came across my feed. I haven't had the time to watch it yet. But there's going to be an agents course from the good folks at Hugging Face. I'm like, oh, that's pretty awesome. So I figured we'd take a quick listen, because this is like an hour long. We'll listen to a couple of the beginning and we'll take a look at the actual course. So let's just go ahead and do that. And then you can decide. I put a link to this video and all the other stuff we're going to talk about next to the recording of this video. So you can always check it out on the website if you want. All right, take a quick listen to this, see what they're talking about.
Live. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to the first agent course live. Let me see all of you. We're going to start the live in 2 minutes. So in the meantime, please tell us where you come from.
Okay, they're going to start in 2 minutes. So let's go 2 minutes ahead, because I kind of want to get like a general idea of what they're going to be covering in the course. So, okay, that's about 2 minutes. Here we go.
Thought that will be, and I think we really thought that will be like, I don't know, 500 people. So it's very nice to see all of you. So thank you for being here. Yeah, I think we can start. Maybe 7. Yeah, let's start. So, first of all, hello everyone and welcome. And thank you for being here for this first live of the agent course. The first thing we want to do is to introduce ourselves. So my name is Thomas Simonini. I'm a developer advocate at Hugging Face. And some people know me in this live because I wrote the Deep Reinforcement Learning course 2 years ago. And I also work on the AI in games part at Hugging Face. And currently, I'm one of the co-creators with Geoffrey and Ben of the agent course. What about you, Geoffrey?
Hi, nice to meet you, everyone. I'm Geoffrey. So I'm a machine learning engineer from Hugging Face. and I was working in the monetization team, and now my focus is on agents. What about you, Ben?
Thanks. I'm Ben. I'm a machine learning engineer, and I've given courses in data sets and in post-training LLMs. And I worked on this course as well, and I focused on most of the LLM material, and I built the quizzes and the certifications. And yeah, those are my favorite parts of the course as well, in case you have any questions about them.
Okay, so let's get started. For people who don't know, this live is about the agent course. It's a new course at Hugging Face where you will learn. It's a free course from beginner to expert. The goal of the course is to teach you how to create agent. So it's a free course, and I think you already know that agent is really the topic in AI for 2025. We see a lot of companies being created around that. We see a lot of projects about that. And so I think it's really the skills to acquire this year. And fortunately, with this course, you're in the right place. On this course, we have already 72K signups, which is amazing. And we want to thank you for that. And we really hope you're going to like it. We work really hard for that. And so let me just give you some information about how this live is going to happen. There will be a first part, which is a presentation of the course, when I will give you a little bit of information about the course, the scope, the units, and the challenges. And then there will be a Q&A during around 30 minutes. And after that, we will have a small surprise to announce. And one thing is that don't hesitate to start to ask your question now in the chat so that, my two colleagues can, check the question. So as I said, we launch the course on Monday. And so you can have access here with this link at hf.co/learn/agent course.
All right, cool. So yeah, so you can check out the rest because it looked like they actually go through a bunch of, so they have like QA time. And so it looked like they actually, I think maybe go through the course, apparently looks. So if you want to check it out, you can check out the rest of it. All right. So what I wanted to show now is actually that on their site, where to go? Of course. Give me a second here. Yeah, here we go. All right. Let me share this tab instead. So here's their learning, because they have a bunch of other stuff that you can check out as well. So NLP, natural language processing course there. It's pretty dope. Deep RL course, which I believe he was talking about before, the reinforcement learning. Community computer vision course. That's pretty dope. So they have a bunch of other things. Audio course. Oh, that's pretty dope. So they have a lot of other things you can check out. All right. But the one they were talking about just now is this one here, the agents course. And so check this out. And here we go. So, the welcome to the course. You can see like the same slides and everything. And yeah, so welcome to the most exciting topic in AI today, agents. This free course will take you on a journey from beginner to expert in understanding, using, and building AI agents. So kind of like what he was saying before. And so you'll be able to see the first unit will help you onboard. So you can discover the course's syllabus, choose the path you're going to take, either self-audit or a certification process. Okay, so you can get like certificates. Interesting. Get more information about the certification, why do you say it that way? Process and the deadlines. Get to know the team behind the course, create your Hugging Face account, sign up. So, okay, so it looks like the first unit is just kind of like getting you ready. All right. So then, so in this course, you will study AI agents in theory, design, and practice, which is always cool. The practice part is always important. And then learn to use established AI agent libraries such as Small Agents, LangChain, and Llama Index. So share your agents on the Hugging Face Hub. Explore agents created by the community. Okay, that's pretty dope. Participate in challenges where you will evaluate your agents against other students. And then earn a certification of completion by completing assignments and more. All right, cool. So then you'll be able to do a bunch of stuff. So that's pretty cool. So what the course look like, got the foundational units. You're going to do some hands-on stuff. Use case assignments. That's pretty cool. And the challenge. You'll put your agent to compete against other agents in the challenge. Okay. And there's like a leaderboard, it looks like. And so, all right, so this course is a living project, evolving with your feedback and contributions. So it looks like they're building the plane while they're flying. Feel free to open issues in the GitHub, NPRs in the GitHub repo, and engage in discussions in our Discord server. So they have a Discord server. And then after you've gone through that through the course, you can send your feedback through there. Okay. And then we have the syllabus. So we have the onboarding, which is basically what they're doing now. Then there's the fundamentals, frameworks. All right, cool. So the pretty much stuff they were talking about before. So now as far as prerequisites, things that you kind of need to go into it. So to be able to follow this course, you should have a basic knowledge of Python. So maybe if you don't know a lot of Python, maybe take like a beginner course in that and then see here, or maybe try it and see if you get lost or whatever. And then you'll know, all right, well, I need to brush up on Python or learn some Python. And then basic knowledge of LLMs. We have a section in Unit 1 to recap what they are. And then the tools, you need a computer with an internet connection and a Hugging Face account. And there's certifications and deadline. So now there's a deadline for the certification process. Okay, so you can take the course whenever, but if you want to get the certification, you'll need the assignments to be done by May 1st, 2025. Okay. So that's hoping that they have everything, because like they said, they're kind of releasing it as it goes or whatever. So the first week was last week. So check that out. And then this week they got something else coming up. So you can do that. That's a bonus unit. And then unit 2. So like every week they're releasing something, it looks like. Okay. Oh yeah. So it looked like in March, this unit 3 is going to be a big one. So it has all the different use cases because that's like almost a month till the unit 4, the final assessment. So yeah. So then again, everything I get done by May 1st. So they kind of give you like a breakdown of like, you know, the recommended pace. All right, cool. So then, yeah. Cool. So yeah, so again, check out the Discord, and then they have the onboarding. Cool. Then Discord thing. And so here's how the course works. Or there's just like a link to the video. Yep, links to the video that we just kind of like look at. All right. So I guess they're doing this live as well, I guess. So let me see, because it looks like, so no, there's actual like text-based stuff. I wonder if they're going to go through this stuff live. I wonder if they did in the video. Maybe they did in the video. They probably did in the video as well. Again, I have not watched the video. So, but yeah, I just wanted to bring it to folks' attention. Looks pretty cool. So if you've been hearing about all this AI agent stuff and you don't know where to start, this could be a good place. All right. So I'm going to get y'all back to work because I want to get back to work on this. Well, I almost forgot. I got to do the post radio show promo stuff. So I'm probably going to work on that and get that going. But when we come back, we'll take a look at an artist's website, listen to some music, watch some videos. Maybe you'll become a fan. But till then, see you 50 minutes after the hour. I wish you much productivity. I'm going to send you all off with this traveling music, which is Anthony Cruz, a.k.a. A Butter. The track's called Thank You. Thanks for hanging out. See you 50 minutes after the hour. All right, y'all be easy. Peace.
I want to say thank you for holding on. When a brother was down and out, now I feel so strong. And I want to say thank you for being there. When a brother had nowhere to turn to, you were there. And I feel like, yeah. And everybody says, yeah. We spread love like, yeah. I want to say thank you for holding on. When a brother was down and out, now I feel so strong. And I want to say thank you for being there. When a brother had nowhere to turn to, you were there. And I feel like, yeah. And everybody says, yeah. We spread love like, yeah. I want to say thank you.